So hello and welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I'm bored and I don't really want to do something real. So here I am, and yeah, guess what? I'm gonna go on Social Blade and do something fun because I'm bored, bro, and that is the best thing I can do right now. And I don't really want to make something like a programming video, and it's been long since I checked myself on Social Blade. So let's do it guys, and let's see if we have something better now. Well, let's see. We have 39 uploads. Indeed, we do. Well, probably. Let's check out if we have 39 uploads or they are lying. I hope that they are not lying. Well, I mean, like, why will they lie? I mean, well, you know, I'm stupid, so I do bullshit. But anyways, we have 40 videos, guys. They are lying, guys. I knew it. They are lying, bro. We have 40 videos and they are saying 39. But we can't really help that. Then let's see subscribers. It's 105. Well, I think that is pretty much true. Well, it indeed is 105. And views are 10,841. And I'm not really sure about that. But let's check them out because we can do that, right? So we have how many views? Let's check out guys. So we have 10,852 views, but these guys are saying 10,841. So you can see they're literal liars. They're lying with 11 views.
I'm joking! Stop! 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 Stop the break! Stop! Stop! Stop!
But well, we will just leave that. Country is IN, and that's probably India. That's probably India. And channel type is tech. Whoa, we are a tech channel. I didn't knew that. And the user was created on 28th September, and that is true. Well, at least they are not lying on this. And now let's go on this. Total grade. Holy shit. So our channel is a C grade YouTube channel.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer.
That's really cool. And our rank is 800,000. Well, that's quite a lot of numbers. What is this? 24.4416% of the way to the top. Subscriber rank is 58,000. This spot is shared with 100,000 more people. Damn, bro. There are 28 million people above me. That's really great. And we are like 3% of the top. That's really cool. And in number of views, we are just 1% top. And in our country, we are 31%. And the tech rank, we are literally 0%, bro. I'm such a big YouTuber, man. We got like 37 subs in last 30 days, and we earned around $1 to $21. That's really great. Wait, I don't even have a revenue option here. Damn, I can't even check it. But anyways, and as of views, they are 5k. I think that's pretty much true for the last month. And for the yearly earning, it's like 3 months since I started my YouTube channel. So yeah. Anyways, the recent video is this one. It indeed is. And let's check out this thing. So this is a while we can see how many subscribers I gained. 13 no subscribers, 3 1 1 4 4 1 4 2 14. All right, that's good. And then the video views 60 40 51,000 minus 57. What? How can the views decrease? Like, do the people I mean, like, they get a refund for a view? Well, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm maths. I don't know about maths. But then 100, 88, 55. Well, I think the views were improving. Then I don't know, man. Something is happening. But anyways, so the estimated earning, we can just ignore all of that. Monthly gained video views for Crazy Dev. I think, I don't know, man. Lot of analytical thing, man. Let's check out future projections because future is quite interesting indeed. Future subscriber and view prediction for Crazy Developer. Let's zoom it a bit and let's check it out. So goal date, time until 2 months, subscriber. Alright guys, so according to these guys, we will hit 200 subscribers in 2 months. I think that is really insane, bro. I personally think we will hit 204 subscribers in like 3 more months. They are too positive, man. These guys think way too much good. And 22,000 views, no way. But Well, we can help them. These guys are just new nerds. So let's see when we can hit a million subscribers. And I guess we can never hit a million subscribers, my bad. But anyways, let's check this out. It is just that subscriber thing. And what is this? This is the views thing. We can hit a million views on when? Well, we can hit a million views on 2024, guys. Just few more years and we will hit a million views on our YouTube channel. And for subscribers, let's just don't think about that. But anyways, do we have any more prediction? I guess we do not. We have detailed statistics. This sounds good. So what is it? 69 subscribers. But sorry, we are not supposed to care about that. So what is the detailed thing here? Well, I don't know, man. I was unable to see what was detailed. But anyways, let's see featured box. What is this? I guess it is nothing. Let's check out some similar channels. Like, do we? And I think I'm a quite unique YouTuber, so I doubt if there is an. Alright, there are quite a lot of similar channels. Well, I don't know what the heck is this, bro. These guys are similar to my channels, but plant-based views VIP. This don't sounds like me, bro. But anyways, let's check out user videos instead. So what is this thing? Well, it just all of my videos. They are just a list of my videos, I guess, and how much I earned, how much comments, and the rating. The percent of metric is divided into like and dislike. Oh, this is interesting. 50 most relevant videos, and this is the creating Discord bot, and 50 highest rated videos, and it will be this TypeScript bot thingy, most viewed. Well, let's check out our most viewed videos, although I can do that from YouTube Studio, but who cares. So it is a ticket system one with 2.5k views. And which one is the least viewed? I don't know, who cares. And then we have our achievements. Well, we will check out the live subscriber count later on. But as of now, feeling comfortable. Upload 100 videos to the YouTube. Well, I think we can achieve that thing soon. And then 12 month, your account must be created over a year ago. Well, it isn't. You are on Tube, 100,000 views. I doubt that. And new kid on the block, 1000 subs. I doubt that thing too. It is alive. Have some people check your Social Blade profile. It is 0.9% and I think that is because I checked my damn profile myself. Have one acceptable social profile platform attached to YouTube channel. Well, bro, I think I do have something attached to my YouTube channel. I think it was Discord. Well, I don't know. Well, how the heck we are supposed to link something to our YouTube channel? I don't really know. Let's try it out, guys. I opened the customized channel thing and I wonder if we are recording properly. I think we are. But how the heck I'm supposed to do something cool like settings? No, well, featured section, and then we have branding, and we have basic info. We have a channel URL. I have some links. Well, and I guess that's all. So how the heck I'm supposed to do that? Like linking my social media account, general channel permission. I guess I don't know, bro. Well, let's just add an email for contact if somebody want to sponsor me, of course, and like if they're interested in making me a millionaire, so why not, bro. But anyways, let's just ignore that, and I don't know, bro. But anyways, verified social. Well, let's authenticate this thing. I don't know what is this. Alright, I have to provide my email address, and I don't really have an account, so let's go and register. And why the heck I'm recording this thing? I don't know, but I'm doing that. So guys, let me just put my damn email.
A few moments later.
Well, I don't know where the heck I am now. I was just checking my statistics and now I'm at a dashboard or something. Alright, but guys, I'm back. I should show you my screen now. So I hope you can see. I think you can. So let's see our live subscriber count because that's the last thing to click on. And let's see if we can get 106 subscribers right now. Guys, can we get it? Well, most probably not, so let's just back it because who is going to wait for literally a day or maybe a year to get another subscriber? But guys, we do have 2 achievements: uploading school and I hit a button. Damn, 1 upload and 25 upload. That's great. But anyways, Well, I think this is it. Do we have anything else to see? Oh, we can compare stuff.
Yes, science.
Well, I'm bored, so let's do this thing. I have a old channel. Let me try. Compare the damn channels. So yes, compare. Let's compare our damn self real quick. So what is it? I don't know, man. Well, left one is me, right one is me. I mean, left one is new me, right one is old me. Alright, so let's see. My SB rank, this time my rank is better. Alright, my new channel is better. And as of subscriber, my old one is better. And for views, my new one is better. And dude, this old one just have 5,000 views and like 90 uploads. What the hell? But anyways, the old one was created in 2019 and this new one is in 2021. And this estimated bullshit, we can just ignore that. And dude, I need a charger. Well, I guess this is it for this video because I'm not going to get a charger. I'm lazy. Thanks a lot for watching and I love this free content, man. Free views. Bye.